Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a birthday card using watercolors. I start making circles with this die cut because I need different um, size of circles, and I couldn't find my ruler, my template where I have 4 circles, and then I use this one that I have at hand. I'm applying the watercolor darker in one side and light it up in the rest of the bowl. I'm going to do this in pink, yellow and blue. I got 3 party hats, and I'm going to hold the little pieces in post-it tape because I'm going to paint them later on, and I'm going to color them with watercolor because this is how I got them in watercolor paper, and I'm going to paint one in rainbow, one in blue, and one in red. After I finish coloring and they are dry, I'm going to glue them to my card panel. And after that, I'm going to add a golden thread in the top of the card. This thread is for the use most for the cross stitch, but I guess it can be used too for the sewing machine. It's just very strong thread. As you see here, I tape it on the back of the card, and then I'm going to start adding some balls that are going to circles that I'm going to cut with the same die cut that I used to make the bubbles in the card, using the metallic accents from Prima, and using the let me see what is the color, fiber optic. Yes, I'm using the brilliant gold. I'm using brilliant gold to make this, and don't have to be perfect because as you see I just use the medium circles, and I'm going to trace the party hats several times to make in different colors, and using the distress inks in rainbow colors, and I'm also going to use the watercolors in metallic accent in the top of every color. After that, I'm going to cut the hats, and I'm going to use just the circles. Sorry for all that noise, I'm moving stuff on my table. I'm going to use just a tiny circle as I say, and I'm going to keep the hats for another project. For the letters, I use vintage photo and the color of celestial of the metallic accents. I'm going to cut with these small letters the word happy birthday and put one in the top and one in the bottom, and I'm going to use these iridescent jewels all around. After that, I'm going to try different color of frame for this card. You will see here that I tried the red, the blue, red, purple, and I choose the color red. This is the one that I like the most. After I glue the frame, I'm just going to glue my card to my card base, that is cardstock, white cardstock 110, and that will be my card for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card, goodbye.